Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new English lesson. Please get your reading writing workshop book ready and let's start. We need to start with page 90 and 91, words to know. You know, this unit or this lesson, we're talking about map. So let's start with the first word.
Around. I like to ride around the park. Around. This is the word around. Say it with me. Around.
Very good. Let's go for the next page. By. The bus stops by the house.
By. The bus stops by my house.
Very good. Next one. Many. There are many shops in town.
Many. There are many shops in town.
Right. Next word. Place. Let's look for this place on a map.
Place. This is the word place. Say it with me. Place. Place. Let's look for this place on a map.
Good. And then walk.
Walk. We walk to the library.
And you see from the picture that girls are walking to the library, and the word walk, the L is silent. All right. So let's read them together again. Around. I like to ride around the park. By. The bus stops by my house. Many. There are many shops in town. Place. Let's look for this place on a map. Walk. We walk to the library. So now your turn to say the sentence, read them, and after that, make up another sentence for each word. Just for fun, you don't need to write it as usual, you're just saying it to make sure you understood the meaning for the words. All right, let's turn the page and read our phonics for this lesson.
CH, TCH, WH, PH. The letters CH and TCH make the sound you hear in chop and catch. The letters WH make the sound you hear in when. The letters PH make the sound you hear in fill.
So today we have 4 different phonics that we need to pay attention to. And if you get used to know the sounds for these words or these letters together, it will help you to read and also do your correct spelling and write the right spelling. So the letters CH and TCH make the sound you hear in chop and catch. The letters WH make the sound you hear in win. The letters PH make the sound you hear in fell. So PH, it sounds like phone, photograph. In other words, we get graph. In other words, we'll see now. So as you see, the words, the letters that we learn and the phonics for this lesson, usually underlined with the blue. So when you listen to the word, pay attention. Let's start.
Inch, whiz, chat, itch, when, graph, lunch, check, stitch, which, sketch, much.
All right, so let's listen to them again.
Inch, whiz, chat, itch, when, graph, lunch, check, stitch, which, sketch, much.
Very good. Let's go for page 93 and listen to the sentence.
Phil will sketch a graph for math. When will he get his lunch?
All right, so for this example, we see PH, so we pronounce it fell, will sketch, TCH, a graph, again PH, for math. When will he get his lunch? CH. All right. Let's listen to the words that we need to find them in our story. All right.
Your turn. Look for these words with CH, TCH, WH, and PH in which way on the map? Which, Mitch, Steph, children, chat, benches, catch, such, lunch, check.
All right. Let's listen to it one more time.
Your turn. Look for these words with CH, TCH, WH, and PH in which way on the map? Which, Mitch, Steph, children, chat, benches, catch, such, lunch, check.
So, just a small, simple rule, grammar rule, I remind you. Remember benches? You add at the end with CH, we add ES when we want to change it from singular to plural. All right, turn the page and let's see our story for this week.
Genre, nonfiction. Essential question. How can you find your way around? Read about places in a town.
All right, so the genre for this selection is nonfiction, which is which way on a map. And for today, you will look for information in the text which is helping you to understand the selection. So let's go back to review what's the information nonfiction. It tells about real people or real places or things or events. So everything here should be real. It presents and show you facts and information about topics. So you learn some information or you listen and know new information. Can use text features such as the maps to give you information. That's why we say it's nonfiction, informational nonfiction. All right. So it talks about real things. And in this selection, we will be using text, pictures, and photos, which will give facts, details about the topic or about the lesson we are reading and learning about, which is maps.
Which way on the map?
As we see the little girl pointing at a map, and we know that she wants to visit a specific place. So she's pointing and looking at the map because this is what we learned this week. All right, let's turn the page.
Mitch and Steph live in a big town. There is a lot to see. Let's walk around with them.
So they're living in a big town, and as you see, they're explorer, they're dressing up as wanted to know and learn more. They have a map and flashlight just for the fun.
This is the town on a map. It shows each place in town.
So this is one kind of a map that this is the town map. So you see places, big buildings, parks, river or pond or lakes, schools. All right, let's turn the page.
This place has red bricks. Many children go here. Mitch and Steph go here too. Which place is this?
So this is information. I'm getting it by looking at the picture. So as we say in the map, it shows location for places. And these places could be buildings or streets, like the previous story we listened to when we were looking for the family. They're looking for the park in Miami or in Florida. So over here, children or these two friends looking for a specific place. So that's when you get information because you look at the map and you learn.
Can you spot it on the map?
Yes, it's right there. Remember, They described it over here. They said, place has red bricks. So this is the place that has red bricks. So Mitch and Steve go there or looking for this place. All right.
This place is by a lake. People chat on benches. Mitch and Steph will run and play catch. It is such fun. Which place is this?
So they're describing this place. What do you think this place? They say people sit, it's by the lake, people sit on benches, and Mitch and Steph will run and play and catch and have fun. So this is a park. Very good. Let's go for next.
Can you spot it on the map?
Can you spot the park on a map? Yes, I can see slides, trees, benches, so I know this is the place we're talking about. All right, so remember that we get details and learn more about our topic from either looking at the picture or reading the text. Let's turn the page.
This place has a big box. Mitch and Steph stop and get stamps. They drop a letter in the big box. Which place is this?
So what do you think? That has big box and you can buy stamps or drop a letter or pick up a parcel. Very good. Post office. Let's go for that next.
Can you spot it on the map? Where can Mitch and Steph get lunch? Check the map.
So, can we stop the post office on the map? Right there. Very good. And now we have another thing. Where can Mitch and Steph get lunch? Where do you think they can get lunch? I can see a diner here, a restaurant, that says lunch. Very good. Turn the page. So, main topic and key details. Before we go there, just remind you that main topic, it's what the selection talking about. And then details is the more information you learn and know about the selection. So let's go back, read, and try to pay attention to the key details and the main idea by either paying attention to the text and the picture. Remember your essential question, how can you find your way around? And of course, we know this is the only way, using a map.
Which way on the map?
Okay, on the page.
Mitch and Steph live in a big town. There is a lot to see. Let's walk around with them.
So now from this part, I can have some details that they are live in a big town. And how do I know that? Because they have a map and they're gonna walk around to see. So it's not like a small city or a small town. All right. And now over here, I can see the map of the town.
This is the town on a map. It shows each place in town.
All right.
This place has red bricks. Many children go here. Mitch and Steph go here too. Which place is this?
So what do you think this place is? Yep. School. Very good.
Can you spot it on the map?
And as I see that, because they give me the details of how the building look like, I can easily spot it on my map. Okay. So they're giving you the clue, and then you can find it on a map.
This place is by a lake. People chat on benches. Mitch and Steph will run and play catch. It is such fun. Which place is this?
And we agree this is the park. Can you spot it in the map? On a map? Yep.
Can you spot it on the map?
Yes. All right. Let's turn the page.
This place has a big box. Mitch and Steph stop and get stamps. They drop a letter in the big box. Which place is this?
Okay. We know this is the post office, and I can spot it again on the map over here. All right.
Can you spot it on the map? Where can Mitch and Steph get lunch? Check the map.
All right. All right. So what's the main topic over here? Maps, or how to use a map to find, of course, your way, or find a certain place that you're looking for, because you're visiting a place, or you want to go to the park, or you are in a town, so you want to go to the library, or you want to go to a restaurant to eat. So as we see our friends here, they were using the map to find their way around. Okay, and we learn again that key details give you information about the main topic. So over here, we have also learned that either you look at the text, like in this page when we say this place has red bricks, and then we will easily find it and spot it on a map. All right, let's see some of the main idea and details that they have.
Graphic organizer. Main topic. How to use a map to find places in town. Detail. The school has red bricks. The school is on the map. Detail. The playground is by the lake. The playground is on the map. Detail. The post office has a big box. The post office is on the map.
So the main topic, we know that how to use a map to find places in town. And then the details when they give you the information about the place you will look for. So the building who has red bricks, we agree that was a school, and we spot it on the map. When we talked about the playground, they describe it that it's by the lake. And of course, I look at the picture, I see that it has all the rides or the slides or the fun activity that children will have, people sitting on benches. So I know this is the park or this is the playground. And then we have details about the post office when they say it has a big box and people go and buy stamps and pick up a parcel or package, and I know that this is going to be the post office, right? Okay. Over here, talk about the main topic and details in which way on a map. So that's what we did here. But you can also go for different details, like you go for the first page, for example, and we say that, yeah, the clues, if you look at the picture, I can see that the children looking at a map. So I knew that this is this clue, I get it from the picture. It doesn't say here that they are looking at the map, but because I look at the picture, I get ideas or I get details and information help me to understand what the story or the selection will be talking about. Okay. Okay, over here. Why did the author use photographs and parts of the map? Okay, photographs, as we know, because this is informational nonfiction, so it's true and it gives you information. So when I have details written in my text, the picture and the photographs help me to understand what the story or the selection about, understand what the author wants to tell me, that children are looking for a building with red bricks. So I know they are looking for the school, or they're pointing at school, or they're giving me detail about this building, which is a school, or the post office. So the photographs or the pictures help me to understand. And then when you have parts of the map, because we're talking about map, this is the main topic. So when I look at the building they were giving me details about, I can spot it on a map. And as we see, every building, they give you details. They ask you, can you spot it on a map? And then we see the drawing of a map and we see the building that we were just talking about. So what does this help a reader to understand? As we say, help you to understand what's the story about, or what's the selection about, what I'm looking for. And you also answer the details, because as we see, they did not say the word school, but when they say Mitch and Steph go to that place and a lot of other children, so I know it's a school. When they show the playground and they say by the lake, and I see, look at the picture, I see rides and slides and swings and benches and trees and shades, so I know that this is a playground from the picture. These are the details I understand. And also when they explain or they try to give me a clue about the post office, they didn't say post office, but the way they describe it, what service this building do for us. So I know that they are talking about, or they meant the post office. So the picture, the drawing, the text helped me to understand what the details and the main topic or the main idea for this story or for this selection, right? And as evidence also to understand and find out what the selection about. Okay, so let's just quickly mention that we learn which way on a map, and this lesson was, the genre was nonfiction informational, so they're giving you information. We learn something. We learn the phonics, the ch sounds like ch, tch ch, like catch, wh like when, ph like Philip or phone or graph. We also learn the words that we will be seeing in our story, like around. I like to ride around the park. By, the bus stops by my house. Many, there are many shops in town. Place, let's look for this place on a map. Walk, we walk to the library. All right, first graders, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.